These are dominoes. You'll notice that each domino has two sides, and you see dots on the sides. These dots are referred to as pips. One of the ways in which we can use the dominoes is to make numbers that we can use to build equations. So in this activity, what I'm going to do is turn these dominoes over. And in addition to the dominoes, I need a die. So here I've got a 6-sided die, and here I've got a 10-sided die. I'm going to use the 10-sided die. Now what I do is I roll the 10-sided die. So I've rolled and I've got a 3. And I'm going to record that 3, and that 3 is my target number. Then what I'm going to do is choose 2 dominoes. So I'm going to choose this one, and I'm going to choose this one. And my goal is to look at the 4 digits on these 2 dominoes. So the 4, the 3, and the 5. Apply order of operations to make an equation where my answer will be 3. So let me think. Well, I know that 4 plus 5 makes 9. 9 minus 3 is 6. Subtract another 3 would be 3. So I could write out 4 plus 5, subtract 3 should equal 3. So let's check again. 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 minus 3 is 6. 6 minus 3 is 3. So here is one way in which I could create an equation using the order of operations to equal my target. This is one way in which I can use dominoes to make numbers that I can use to create an equation.